Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn gradients. How we are going to applying gradients, we are going to be seeing here. So the gradients will be display smooth transition between two or more specified colors using this CSS template. So this technique applying, you may use the gradients to any boxes, any text or any background as you wish to display. So I'll take a simple div element to, let's see a simple div element to applying this gradient provision. So the div element, and for this div element an ID I'm taking as an something like a box. I'll take it. So the box ID we have to implement code, correct? So the box, open and end parenthesis like a curly braces, and we need to implement like a height and width. For this box we have to specify. So height I am taking as 200 px, and background color background color to be like something which is the color to be supports and which is the color to be stops. You may set your own colors, okay? And background image, the background image linear gradient, linear LINEAR hyphen GRADIENT gradient. We can specify to left comma red comma yellow. These are the standard syntax, must be last to right, okay? Left to right, I think so. It is a must be last to right, like from left to right it will be follow. How the box is going to be presenting, let's see. Reload. Wow, what a beautiful color we are getting in a gradient applying. This gradient, like this gradient text may be applied for any of HTML. You may apply this ID, which the ID is applied. Yes, you will get multiple types of colors over there. Happily you will get. Alright, I'll see you at next lecture. Thank you.